going to show you how to run a report for your vendors showing the checks that have been issued to them, whether it's a bill payment check or a regular check. The same concept can be used for customers if you'd like to see the invoices that have been generated or payments, but today I'm going to focus on the vendors. To do this, we're going to go to your Vendors Center and then select the vendor you want the report on. From here, we're going to click on the Quick Report. Set my date range. And you'll see that the Quick Report that's generated is giving me more information than I want. It's giving me the bills as well as the bill payments by check as well as the check. So I'm going to customize this report and I'm going to set up filters. The filter I want to set up is for transaction type. I know that this vendor has both checks as well as bill payment checks, so I'm going to select multiple transaction types. From here, I'm going to select check and bill payment. Click OK, and then click OK. There you have it, a report that shows you all of the checks that have been issued to this vendor in the time range selected.